Hi guys, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making some TikTok recipes, or one. I think just one, but we will see. So I'm going to be making Nutella stuffed French toast sticks. I don't know, they sound good, and I got out of school early today, so let's just do it, okay? Okay, so I'm using this TikTok. I'll link it down below as well. If that's is that possible to link a TikTok? Yeah, I think so. So I'm gonna do it. First things first, 6 slices of bread. Okay, 6 slices of bread. Get my bread here. Maybe I should wash it first. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna get 6 slices of bread. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a lot. Maybe I'll half the recipe because I don't want to waste all my bread. Cut off the crusts. 3. Spread the bread. Okay. I feel like I need a cutting board or something. Why is it up? Okay, I'm gonna need cutting board. 3 slices of bread. Cut off the crust, which there's not really any crust, but okay, fine. That is just waste town. I'll just go like that. I don't want to waste my bread. Hopefully that's fine. Spread Nutella over the bread. Wait. I might need a 4th piece of bread. Just so that it's an even amount, you know? We're gonna spread Nutella. Okay. There. Oh. Okay, Nutella is so messy. There's Nutella everywhere, guys. All over my hands. And it's only been 1 second. I've only just barely dipped my knife in. Okay. And then we're just gonna go like this. Nutella on bread. Cheers. Let's see what we do next. Since we're kind of, oh wait, we have to cut these. Slice into thirds. Guys, why didn't anybody tell me? Okay, into thirds. I'm gonna be so good at this. I am a mathematician, so I'm pretty good at estimating thirds. That was good enough. Okay, there. Cut it. That was scary. Now, we need a bowl, or what? A bowl. Well, I don't know where my bowls are. I don't know where anything is in this house. Where is everything? Down there. No. I know that we have a glass bowl, but I'm just having trouble finding it. Guess we're gonna have to go with this bowl, not glass. Let's put these off to the side. So I think we do 2 eggs. Oh, milliliters? Oh shoot. Hey Siri, how many cups is 60 milliliters? 0.25. Is that a 4th? Oh guys, I was sarcastic when I said I was a mathematician. I am a mathematician, so... And it's really showing right now. Hey Siri, is 1/4 2.5? I mean, no. Yeah, okay, a 4th cup. What's half of that? Oh my gosh. Hey Siri. What is a half of, girl, What is a half of a fourth? No. Hey Siri. What is 1/2 of 1/4?
Or 0.125.
That is not helpful.
I found an answer.
1/8. Guys, 1/8. I'm such an idiot. I can't do this. I have 6 pieces instead of 8. Does that mean I half it? Because I don't want to 3/4 it. Should I just do the full amount? Okay. I'll just do the full amount. And then maybe I'll... Oh, okay. This is definitely a hard-boiled egg. I don't know if you can tell. That is too good. Too good. I really got pranked. It is a raw egg. Okay, we're gonna do the full amount. Okay, 1/2 cup of milk. Oh, that was the most perfect. I'm a genius. What is a half of a fourth? And then we do vanilla, but I don't know how much. 1 teaspoon. Where's my vanilla, guys? That was so much. Wow. Whisk until combined. Got it. Look at this cute little mini whisk. Should we add some cinnamon? I feel like you add cinnamon to your French toast. Oh, that's chili powder. Oh man, that would have been bad. I'm just gonna do like a little bit, just a little. There, maybe a little more. Cinnamon. 'Cause I am so good at cooking. If you haven't seen one of my older videos, I made French, oh, that was a close one. I made French toast. So this is a throwback. Okay. Well, this is what it looks like. Mmm, so delicious. Okay. Then, I'm guessing that I should, oh, it says melt some butter. Ooh la la. Okay, this is my stove. Welcome to my stove. I'm going to put them in a little pan. No, not like that. Well, maybe like that. We'll do it in this. This is really big, but it's okay. Should we use some real butter or the butter that we use? We're gonna use real butter. We're gonna go like medium, almost to the 4. If that, oh, I almost did this whole thing. Guys, why didn't any of you stop me? I can't even believe you. I usually just cook with like cooking oil. Oh, wait, okay. Well, we're just gonna melt this. I feel like I probably should not have put this much in, but here we are now, and it's a little too late for that. Just stay right there. I need to make my little bowl of cinnamon and sugar. Oh, guys, you're right in front of the sugar. What the heck? That was too much butter. Unless it wasn't. I don't know. Oh! Okay. Oh, that was not enough at all. Well, okay. I'm stressed because what if the butter like burns or something? Was this too much? Guys, guys, I need your input. Taking this, dipping it in. Oh, delish, delish. Eggs and milk, and cinnamon, and vanilla. Okay, 1. Okay, 2, 3. O'Reilly Auto Parts. 4, 5, 6. Wait, 6? Yeah, 6. Yeah, okay. Wait, oh, everything was a mistake. It was all a mistake. No, sugar everywhere. Oh my gosh. Now we're gonna get a spatula. Ah, my favorite spatula isn't there. Nope, not even close. I think it's working, guys. I think it might be working. That is like butter soup. It smells good. My hands are really cold. It's cold in this house. This is great. How are you guys? Oh my gosh, golden brown. Just like they said it would be. Ouch, very hot on my hands, but this spatula is not doing much for me. Oh, did you guys see that? I definitely touched the pan. Oh, jeez, cooking is stressful. Oh, what am I doing? Let's put a little drip so that it actually cooks the insides and it doesn't just taste Sogtown. Oh, this one's good. This one is red. We're gonna dip in this. Ah, so much going on. Is this ready? Okay. I hope they're not just like soggy. That'd be so bad. Going in there. Going in here. Covering in this. Hot on my hands, hot on my hands. Ay, ay, ay. What the heck? Tell me why that isn't cooked. Okay. Here they are. They look super delicious and yes. I'm going to, okay, we're going with this one. I'm gonna just spread some Nutella on it, like that. That's pretty good. Tastes like sugar. Max, do you want some? Or one?
French toast?
It's like French toast but with Nutella in the middle, and then you put Nutella like on it.
Which one?
Just any of them. And then you, if you want, you can put a little spread of the Nutella. It's good? It just tastes like sugar. Because that's all it is.
I would have this every morning.
Every morning. You know, I'm just a pretty good cook. What can I say? I don't know. It's like a little mush.
It is a little bit. But
I feel like maybe if you did French toast, then put chocolate, then cinnamon sugar. Because like the middle is kind of like gooey. Well, that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below and do all the things. Comment what you want to see next. And I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.